Hi. What's your name?
My name is Zara.
How are you?
I am fine.
Where are you from?
I am from America.
How old are you?
I am 23 years old.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Suman.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Ira.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your brother's name?
His name is Ollie.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What is your favorite animal?
I like cats.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I love reading books.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you go to university?
Yes, I go to university.
What is the name of your university?
My university's name is Harvard University.
What do you study?
I study business administration.
What year are you in?
I am in my final year.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you live in a dorm or an apartment?
I live in an apartment with my friends.
Do you have a part-time job?
Yes, I work at a coffee shop.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like meeting new people.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies and go shopping.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook pasta and sandwiches.
What is your favorite place to visit?
I love visiting Los Angeles.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling to new places.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have been to France and Italy.
What language do you speak?
I speak English and a little Spanish.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Facebook and Instagram.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
What is your favorite season?
I love summer.
Do you like the beach?
No, I don't love going to the beach.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you drive a car?
Yes, I have a small car.
What do you want to do after graduation?
I want to start my own business.
Do you want to study more?
Yes, I want to do a master's degree.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself running a successful company.
What is your message for students?
Work hard and never give up on your dreams.